In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Sheet in Notion. This simple yet powerful skill can help you seamlessly integrate your Google Sheets data into your Notion workspace, making tracking, updating, and collaborating more efficient and visually coherent. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to make the most out of these two powerful tools. To start, let's take a look at your Google Sheets document. With your spreadsheet open in Google Sheets, you'll need to prepare it for embedding. First, head to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the Share option. Under Share, choose Publish to Web. This feature allows you to create a version of your Google Sheet that can be easily embedded in other applications, such as Notion. Once you're on the Publish to Web page, take a moment to decide whether you want to publish the entire workbook or just a specific sheet. If your data is confidential, or if you're only interested in showcasing part of your document, choosing to publish only a specific sheet might be the better option. After making your selection, go ahead and click Publish. Don't worry if a confirmation dialog appears asking if you're sure. Just confirm to proceed. Now that your sheet is published, Google Sheets will generate a link that you'll use to embed the document into Notion. Copy this link to your clipboard by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C on a Mac, ensuring you don't lose the link as you navigate to Notion. This brings us to the next stage of the process, embedding the link in your Notion page. Open the Notion page where you want the Google Sheet to appear. Inside your Notion page, click on the space where you want to add the Google Sheet. Now type /embed, which will prompt a drop-down menu to select the Embed option. This command is a quick way to access a variety of embedding options that Notion supports. Having selected Embed from the menu, a dialog box will prompt you to paste the link. Simply paste the published Google Sheets URL here by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. To complete the process, click Embed Link. This action will finalize the embedding, enabling you to view and interact with your Google Sheet directly within Notion. And there you have it, a Google Sheet successfully embedded in Notion. This integration is an excellent way to streamline information between these platforms. By following these steps, you can leverage the power of both applications to enhance your productivity. Whether you're monitoring project timelines, tracking expenses, or maintaining a schedule, the possibilities are endless. Stay organized and keep your workflow efficient by embedding your Google Sheets into Notion today. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.